So in this video, you'll learn how to hard reset the Huawei Band 10 via the Health app. So all you need to do is simply launch Huawei Health, and then you want to tap on Devices and select your Huawei Band 10. From here, scroll until you find the option Restore Factory Settings and select it. Then confirm that you wish to erase all the data that's currently on your band and set it back to factory default. So just tap on Restore. From here, wait for the band to now start restoring itself back to default. And you might have to wait for a long time because of the amount of data that it might need to erase. You can go a step further by choosing to have your phone forget the device. So you can just go to your settings app, then navigate to Bluetooth, look for the band in your list of available devices and forget it from there if it's not already been forgotten. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about the hard reset, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.